Namaste to all. Here I am with a new video relating to managerial accounting introduction. Please don't ignore this unit. It will give you 30 marks and 30 plus marks in the exam. So sometimes 40 also. Two short questions, two long questions, just from theory unit, one unit. Okay, so don't ignore this, and don't think that if you write theory you won't get marks. Okay, so better write this unit and learn this unit. So that is why I am with this video. I don't want to waste your any more time, as it is exam time. I thought it would be better to tell you that this unit is important one, and you have to learn the theory also for the exam. That is why I kept this question last in the discussion. So let us see this one. List out the differences between cost accounting, management accounting and financial accounting. Sometimes he may ask what is the difference between financial accounting and management accounting, or cost accounting and management accounting, or sometimes together like this. If you learn this three differences at a in one answer, if he ask any one question you can write. So that is why I have taken this notes, and this is from SIA book. I'll provide the notes of this in the description. Some of the student asked, you can find it from there. Okay, let us start. Difference point. What is the difference point? That is the first thing. Okay, so difference point meaning. Financial accounting refers to accounting concerned with the recording of financial data. फाइनेंशियल डेटा रिकॉर्ड करने का काम किसका है? फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग. बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शंस शुड बी रिकॉर्डेड विच आर इन फाइनेंशियल कैरेक्टर. that is was financial accounting definition is there. Next, cost accounting refers to that branch of accounting which deals with the cost incurred in production of one unit or a service or okay product सो ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. एक यूनिट बनाने के लिए कितना खर्चा हो रहा वो फाइंड आउट करते हैं. कास्ट अकाउंटिंग उसका काम करता है. वेर एज मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज कंसर्न विद द अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज यूजफुल फॉर मैनेजमेंट. मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज यूज गिव्स सच इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज यूजफुल फॉर मैनेजमेंट फॉर द टेकिंग डिसीजंस. ओके, मैनेजरियल डिसीजंस लेने के लिए मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग है. सो ऑब्जेक्टिव आधा तो मैंने ऊपर ही बता दिए वैसे ही. सो फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्ड्स दी all transactions relating to finance. That is the objective. True and fair view of state of affairs दिखाना फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग का काम है. Okay, that whatever accounting information is there, that should be true and fair. Okay, that is the objective. Cost accounting records by the firm in producing प्रोडक्ट आर सर्विसेज. सब लोग नहीं करते, जो लोग मैन्युफैक्चर कर रहे, प्रोडक्शन कर रहे या सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे, वैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, दोज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल हैव कास्टिंग accounting records, and it is not mandatory for all the business units. Cost accounting is just for few undertakings, public sector undertakings, some other manufacturing concerns, not for all. So that is why its scope is little less. Management accounting helps management in designing and planning the policies. These are the objectives. ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में कास्ट अकाउंटिंग का ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या रहेगा? कास्ट कंट्रोल एंड कास्ट रिडक्शन, वो भी लिख सकते हैं आप. असरटेनमेंट ऑफ कास्ट एंड डिटरमाइनिंग सेलिंग प्राइस, वो कास्ट अकाउंटिंग के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. पीरियोडिसिटी, जनरली at the end of the financial year you will prepare the final accounts, right? So financial accounting is relating to at the end of the year. whereas cost accounting is related to what? Cost accounting prepares reports every month, every week, or quarterly, sometimes generally weekly monthly reports होते casting के. Whereas information whenever is needed, then information is provided by the management accounting, because management make decisions uh, in dynamic environment. So whenever they require any information, management accounting records should be able to provide such information. Okay, that is what management. See here, periodicity, they are saying periodicity, it is prepared at the end of the financial year, it prepares reports weekly, monthly, it provides information whenever it is required by the management. Importance, it is compulsory to prepare final accounts of every organization. ये compulsory है. At the end of the period, how much profit you have earned, what is your financial position of assets and liabilities will be known when you prepare final accounts, financial accounting, that is the work. It is compulsory to prepare cost accounts records only in some undertakings. जैसे मैंने बताया, some manufacturing units and service providers, they need to maintain cost account records, and पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग्स के लिए कास्ट अकाउंटिंग रिकॉर्ड्स कंपलसरी है. देन इट इज नॉट कंपलसरी. whenever management is in need, then management accounting will be done. if it is not required, it is not compulsion. okay, वो compulsion कुछ नहीं है हर साल हर महीने करना बोल के. okay, but it will be useful for the management if you have management accounts for decision making purpose. Principles, it follows some accounting principles and standards. Indian accounting standards है, अदर जनरली एक्सेप्टेड अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स है, वो सब फॉलो करके आपको क्या करना पड़ता, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग करना पड़ता. इट इज़ कंपल्सरी टू फॉलो ऑल प्रिंसिपल्स एंड प्रोसीजर्स ऑफ कास्ट अकाउंटिंग. कास्ट अकाउंटिंग से रिलेटेड ICMA नो. ओके, इससे पहले ICWA आई था, अभी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कास्ट एंड वर्क्स अकाउंट्स नहीं है, अब इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कास्ट एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग हो गया ICMA. ICMA जो भी प्रिस्क्राइब्ड प्रिंसिपल्स प्रोसीजर्स बोलेंगे वो कंपलसरी फॉलो करना पड़ता वाइल प्रिपेयरिंग कास्ट अकाउंटिंग. बट मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग it does not have any principles, so principles procedures are not followed in management accounting. But you will take the information from financial records and cost records and you will prepare the final accounts. okay, but एक प्रोसीजर एक प्रिंसिपल इसको ऐसे ही करना वैसा कुछ नहीं है मैनेजमेंट अकाउंट में. ओके, एनालिसिस ऑफ रिपोर्ट, analysis or report, it discloses the financial position of the company as a whole. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का होल पिक्चर, हाउ मच प्रॉफिट इट इज अर्न ड्यूरिंग करंट पीरियड, if possible previous year information side by side it will provide and gives the reasons for the same. Whereas cost accounting, it discloses the profit with regard to each process wise, product wise, unit wise, department wise or service wise, depending upon the requirement of the cost department. okay, cost accounting department discloses the information. It presents the budgets and tax plans from the reports provided by फाइनेंशियल एंड कास्ट अकाउंटिंग. जो फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग कास्ट अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन देते उसी इन्फॉर्मेशन को ये लोग प्रेजेंट करते डिफरेंट वे में फॉर दी मेकिंग बजट्स, रिपोर्ट्स एंड प्लान्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म एंड लॉन्ग टर्म पर्पसेस. that is the analysis of report. Nature, it mainly deals with the historical data. जो हो गया ट्रांजैक्शन होने के बाद, परचेस होने के बाद परचेस एंट्री लिखते, कैश पेमेंट करने के बाद कैश एंट्री लिखते. So financial accounting is done after taking place the transaction. So it is based on it is based on historical data, whereas cost accounting uses historical data provided that outline it, but प्रीडिटरमाइन करके आप क्या कर सकते हैं, कास्टिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रीवियस ईयर से लेके नेक्स्ट ईयर के आप क्या कर सकते हैं, कास्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन you can provide. So predetermined absorption costing method, all those comes into picture. तो ये historical data को use करके future course of action को थोड़ा analyze करता. But whereas financial account management account, it deals with the future plans and procedure. ये future के बारे में how much sales to be made in the next क्वार्टर और हाफ ईयर नेक्स्ट ईयर ऐसा बजट करते हैं, बजट करके बजटरी कंट्रोल यू ऑलरेडी नो. सो दैट इज वाई इट इज फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ थिंग्स. सो ये फ्यूचर ओरिएंटेड हिस्टोरिकल डेटा पे लेके फ्यूचर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शंस डिटरमाइन करता. देन लास्टली स्कोप. वेट अ मिनट, आई मेक इट लिटिल बिट अप. So scope in financial accounting, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet are prepared. Sometimes CFS, cash flow statement, will be prepared for some organization, not for all. Cost accounting ascertaining the cost of a product or service is the main criteria, and sometimes you determine the selling price. Okay, scope उतना तक है. In it formulates policies for effective performance of management and covers cost and financial account. ये दोनों अकाउंट्स को ये मैनेजमेंट अकाउंट यूज कर ले रहा इंफॉर्मेशन. सो इट कवर्स बोथ एंड इट फॉर्मुलेट पॉलिसीज फॉर इफेक्टिव परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. मैनेजमेंट कितना अच्छी तरह बेहतर काम कर सकता है वो काम देखते हैं. सो here ends the answer relating to differences between financial accounting, management accounting and cost accounting. Okay, if you write this much that is enough. Okay, and there are some other questions. I can't tell this one only will come, but I thought it would be better to give an overall picture, so I took this question. Already some other questions are uploaded, you can find those in the playlist. Duties of management accounting, discuss the tools and techniques of management accounting. You may get this question, so please learn this one also. And there is one question, this last one. Explain the installation of management accounting. So ये आंसर भी आप पढ़ के जाइए. As this is last moment, I will not make any more answers. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Other than that, you just learn total theory of first unit. That is my request to you all. And one thing, share it with your friends, because sharing is caring. And lastly, prepare 3 units. Prepare 3 units. You are in final year. Don't take any risk, okay, by just preparing 2 units. If you prepare 2 units, you prepare totally thoroughly, but one more unit I am telling you as a buffer, okay, in case of any unusual situations. Okay, it will be useful. एक ज़्यादा यूनिट पढ़ के गए तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड हाउ टू प्रिपेयर 3 units in time. So this 1.5 day will be more than enough for revision purpose. So this 1 week or 15 days, whatever time is there, just focus. and इसके बाद आप फ्री हो जाओगे, मस्त टाइम पास कर सकते, कुछ भी कर सकते, टाइम वेस्ट कर सकते. अभी तो टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करने का. ओके, एंड सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. I'll provide the notes in the description. Check it. Subscribe the channel if you want, you can, and otherwise it's your wish. Like karo. If you like, what happens, it will give in some uh, information algorithm in the YouTube, so that others who are searching for the information will get the information. So that's it. That is the reason for which I am telling you to like, otherwise not. uh, that's it. Share with your friends, and Jai Hind. All the best.